Hey guys, back with another rust video. It wasn't planned, but it rained on my tool bag and all my tools were rusted now. So I found an easy way, look on YouTube, easy way to remove the rust with white vinegar, and then I used Dawn dishwashing liquid to clean the rest of it off, and just a little sink scrubber. Now I can show you here's how it turned out. You could probably use some other types of scrubbers to get it, well, a lot more shinier. Here's another example right here. That's how much rust was on it. You can also add, oil, some oil to them afterwards. So I recommend leaving your tools in here for 3 days. I'm gonna do this one next. And it actually rained in the water, in the vinegar the other night. So it does have a water vinegar mixture, but it still removed pretty much all the rust after 3 days with little effort. And it's a low cost way to clean up your tools around the house and remove the rust. Thank you.